Creating empty dictionary using curly bracket. To create an empty dictionary, just decide the name. So the name of our empty dictionary is empty underscore dict equal to, and for the curly bracket, we have to use just a pair of curly brackets and run. This will assign no element or no key value pair to our empty dictionary. Now let's create the empty dictionary with the dict construct. For doing that, empty dictionary equal to dict and round bracket, and this will also create a empty dictionary without any element. Now let's check the elements or the key value pair in every our empty dictionary. So we'll print our empty dictionary or empty dict, and we'll find that there is no element within the curly bracket. So curly brackets creates an empty dictionary with no key values, or similarly the dict construct also create an empty dictionary with no element in it.